In the last class, we have learnt what is a set, what do you mean by an element of the set, and what are the different forms in which you will represent a set. So let us take one set. Suppose A equals to the set of elements from 1, 2, 3, 4. Elements from 1 to 4. And if you observe, the elements here are 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the elements of this set. And they are separated by commas and they are enclosed in between the flower brackets like this. Now, 2 is an element of A. So, how you will write that? 2 belongs to A. Similarly, 3 is also an element of A. That is, 3 belongs to A. So, instead of writing this belongs to, there is a symbol to in mathematics to denote this belongs to. That is epsilon. This is a Greek letter which we will use instead of belongs to. So, this can be written as 2 belongs to A. Similarly, 3 belongs to A. Now coming to this, suppose if I say that is 5 an element of A? 5 is not an element of A. Why? Because 5 is not there in the set. So what you will write? 5 does not belong to A. So to say that, instead of writing this does not belongs to, we will make use of the same symbol. But the thing is that does not, like this epsilon we will write, and we will write one slash. So it represents does not belongs to. 5 does not belongs to the set A. So by making use of this, we will continue the exercise 1.1, the second question. So what is the second question? Let us see. The second question is that let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They gave the set A as the elements from 1 to 6. Insert the appropriate symbol epsilon or means belongs to or does not belongs to in the blank spaces. So this is what they gave. So let us start doing this. See here what they gave. They gave A equals to the set of the elements 1 to 6. So 5. We have to make use of the belongs to or does not belongs to the sign. 5, if you see that 5 is an element of set A. So what we will write? 5 belongs to A. Is 0, next one is 8. 8 belongs to the set or not? 8 is not an element of A. So 8 does not belongs to A. Similarly, 0 belongs to A. 0 is not an element in A. So it does not belongs to the set A. Is 4 an element of A? Yes, 4 is there in the set. So 4 belongs to A. Next, 2 belongs to A. Yes, 2 belongs to A. And 10 is not there in the set A. So we will write it as 10 does not belongs to the set A. Now coming to the third question, write the following sets in the roster form. So we have to represent the given sets. They gave in the form of a statement. That means this is the set builder form. So in the last class, in the previous class, I have said you that we can represent the sets in two forms. One is the roster form and the other one is the set builder form. So they gave in the form of a statement, which is the set builder form. We have to represent in the form of a roster form. So what do you mean by that? We have to represent in this given set, we have to write the elements which satisfy the given properties. So what is that? We can write this as A equals to. So A equals to X. This is the symbol for such that, or otherwise you can make use of this one slash. Okay, X such that X is an integer and X lies between -3 and 7. So we have to take the integers which are in between -3 and 7. So on the number line, if you imagine, you will get those numbers in between -3 and 7. They are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We cannot write 7 because x value should be less than this 7 and it should be more than minus 3. So that's why we will write the numbers like this. The second question is that b equals to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. X should be a natural number and it should be less than 6. That is b equals to x means natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We less than 6. So less than 6, what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So B is the set of natural numbers less than 6. Now coming to the third question. C equals to, C is the set of x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. Means x is a 2-digit number such that sum of its digits is equals to 8. So if I add those 2 digits, the sum should be equal to 8. So if I start the first digit as 1, you think. So it is a 2-digit number. So we have to place the second digit in such a way that the sum should be equal to 8. 1 plus 7 gives me 8. So the next one is 2 plus 6 gives 8. Similarly, 3 plus 5 gives 8. Next, 4 plus 4 gives 8. Next it is, if I take this as 5, the other one just reverse this. 35 we can write it as 53 also. And the other one is, if I write one digit as 6, the other number will be 2 only. Other digit, not number. Next one is 7, 1. So these are the 2-digit numbers whose sum is, means if I add them, we are going to get as 8. Now coming to the fourth one, d equals to x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So prime numbers which are the divisors of 60 we have to write. So first let us write the divisors of 60. What are the divisors of 60? They are nothing but the factors of 60. So let us write those 1, 2, 3, 4. I am writing the factors of 60, not the prime numbers. Afterwards, we will see which are the prime numbers, which are factors of 60. Okay, factors or the divisors means the same. 4. Next it is 5 will go. 5 and next 6 also will go. 6 tens. Otherwise, we will write like this. 6 tens, 60. Next 5 12s are 60. 4 15s are 60. Still so many are going to get, but which are prime numbers means, okay, 3 20s are 60. Is it not? 2 30s are 60. Is there any other numbers? So 60 will go in 60 also. So we can write it as 60. So these are the divisors of 60. So in this we have to, what they gave the set D, x is a prime number which is a factor of 60. So prime numbers which are factors of 60 we have to write 2, 3, 6. So 6 is not a factor, 2, 3 and 5. So D equals to 2, 3, 5. These are the prime numbers which are the divisors of 60. Next, what is the next question? The set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So E is the set of all letters of the word trigonometry. So we have to write all the letters, but which are repeated, we no need to write again twice. So let us start. T, R, I, G, N, sorry, this is trigonometry, O, M, E, R repeated, T repeated, no need to write Y. So E is the set of the letters of this word trigonometry. Next, what they gave F. F is the set of all letters in the word better. So F we can write it as set of all letters. all letters. If they are repeated, no need to write. B, E, T, R. Okay. Now coming to the fourth question. So what is the fourth question they gave? Write the following sets in the set builder form. So they gave the roster form of the given sets. We have to represent them in the form of a in the set builder form. So see here, 3, 6, 9 and 12. These are the first 4 multiples of 3. So you can write it as x such that x is a, or otherwise we can write the property x equals to 3 into some natural number n, where n belongs to n and n should take the value from 1, 2, 3 and 4. So suppose if I keep n equals to 1, x will take it as 3 into 1, that is 3. If I take n equals to 2, 3 2s are 6. If I take n equals to 3, 3 3s are 9. If I take n equals to 4, it will be 3 into 4, that is 12. So what is this? The roster, the set builder form is x such that. What is that property? That it is satisfied by all the elements of the given set. We are going to write in the set builder form. So x equals to 3 multiple, that is 3 times of the n, where n is a natural number and n will take the numbers from 1 to 4. Now coming to the next one, if you observe the elements 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So that is first number is 2 power 0. No, 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 4 can be written as 2 square, is it not? 2 cube is 8. So 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 5 is 32. So you can write this as the set in the set builder form as x such that x equals to 2 power n, means we can write every element in the set as 2 power something, where n is a natural number, means n belongs to the natural numbers and n will take the values from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is how we can represent this. Now coming to the next one, third one. See there what they gave. 5. 5 square is 25. 5 cube is 125. 5 power 4 is 625. So how can you write this? 5. 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power 4. So how you will represent this in the set builder form? X such that x equals to 5 power n. Here what are changing? Those we will take it as n, such that n belongs to n and n will take the values from 1, 2, 3, 4. Next coming to the next one, 2, 4, 6 so on. 2, 4, 6 so on means if you see that they are the even numbers. So you can write it as x such that x is an even natural numbers. As there are no negative numbers here, we will write it as x is an even natural number. Now this one, if you observe this, 1 square is 1, 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square. So this is 10 square. If you observe this, so in which form they are? The powers are same, that is 2, the power is 2, whereas the bases are 1, 2, 3 till 10. So this can be written as x such that x will take the values n power 2 such that n is a natural number and n value will be, n will take the values from 1 less than or equal to, or otherwise you can write it as n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. or otherwise n is such that instead of writing like this, you can write it as 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10 and takes the values from 1 to 10, either this or this form. Now coming to the fifth question, list all the elements of the following sets. So they gave the set builder form. If you observe that, they gave the set builder form, and we should write the roster form, means all the elements. What they gave, first question, x is an odd natural number. X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on will come. They had not given any limitations, so we will write like this. Next, b equals to, what they gave, x such that x is an integer less than x is an integer such that x lies between minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2 means, first we'll write in the form of a decimal, that is 0.5 less than x less than 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means it is 4.5. We have to take the integer value, not the decimal value. They gave the decimal points here, so in between that, what are the integers we have to write. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it should be less than 4.5, so we have to take 4. What is C they gave? C they gave x is an integer such that x square is less than or equal to 4. So we have to take the values of x such that its value should be less than or equal to 4. Suppose if I take minus 1 whole square, it is less than or equal, so plus 1 also. Similarly, if I take minus 2 whole square is 4. Plus 2 whole square is also 4, which is equals to 4. So 0 also will satisfy. If I take any other number other than this, suppose if I took x equals to minus 3 whole square is 9. 9 is not less than or equal to 4. So these are the values which will satisfy the given statement. Now coming to the next one. So what is D? X is a letter in the word loyal. X is a so D equal LOYA. All the different letters we should write in this word. Next, E is a E is the set such that X is a month of a year not having 31 days. So which are not having 31 days? February is not having 31 days. Similarly, February, March, April, June, next September and November. These are the months which are not having 31 days. Next, what is the sixth one? X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K, means other than A, E, I, O, U, which alphabets are less, means before K, whichever the alphabets are there other than A, E, I, O, U, we should write. So what is this? F equals to, A is an vowel, so we should not write. They want only consonants, so B, C, D, E is a vowel, so we should not write. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, E, F, G, H, I is a vowel, so we should not write J. So precedes K means which are before K, and those alphabets also, it should be it should not be an vowel, it should be a consonant. So these are those letters which are before K and which are not the consonant, means vowels. Next, see sixth question. What is sixth question? Match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. So we should match them. They gave two columns here. We have to match them. So we'll read the set builder form and we'll match with the roster form. Okay, x such that x is a prime number and it should be a divisor of 6. What are the divisors of 6? So if I take divisors of 6 are 1, 6, 2, 3. So these are the divisors of 6, nothing other than this. So 1, 2, 3 and 6. It should be a prime number. So 1 does not come. And also it should be a prime number. So 6 also won't come. 2 and 3. So the A, for the second one, A is the option. Next, x is an odd natural number less than 10. It should be an odd number. It should be a natural number less than 10. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers less than 10. So B answer is fourth one. X is a natural number and divisor of 6. It should be a natural number and divisors of 6. What are divisors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. So this is that C. X is a letter of mathematics. So X is a letter of mathematics means, so it is this. So third one is D.